file in, and let me copy and paste it like 4-5 times. Let me add those images. Add a switch node to switch between all these images. Now I'll be using a fit node to fit all the images to the desired resolution. Command section, you can see it's 1000 by 1000. You can make it 1920 into 1080p. The effect that you saw in the beginning of the video, that is completely done with the feedback. So let's add a add node, put it on the first input, and this add node will return the value to the feedback node. So drag and drop it on the feedback node. You can see there's a loop. Yeah, you will get an error because there is no input in the second input. And I'll be adding a transform node before the null, and to reset the feedback we'll be adding a keyboard in from chop, make it editable, and go to the feedback and as chop reference. Then let's add a displacement to add some motion and add that to the input one. Yeah, in displacement, source midpoint will be 0, on x-axis 0, on the y-axis like it will go down. If you want to make it go up or sideways, whatever you want, based on that you define the axis. We will be playing with all these parameters afterwards. Let's complete the animation. The entire animation will be triggered with just only one simple node, that is with the level. This output will be the input of the second of the feed difference, and for the displacement and for the add. Only tweaking one parameter will start creating the animation, that is the brightness. So now if you switch this to a different and press 1, you can see the images are changing. So this is the main node system. Now we will be using, if you want to change the direction of this effect, go to the displacement, and so this is being displaced on the y-axis. So if you add a negative and press 1, so you can go up, and same as if you add this. So if you displace it in x-axis, press 1, it will go diagonal because there is y-axis also. So you can keep playing with it. So put it 0, so it will go from left to right. Yes. If you want slower animation, go with a very low value, very slow. Nope. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment down below. And if you want any specific tutorial on something specific, do comment down below, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with lot of different video, interactive art, and even I do contemporary art like oil painting. And see you in a new video. Bye bye.